less annoying CRM is a straightforward and user-friendly CRM designed for small businesses to manage contacts, track leads, and organize tasks. Here's a guide for beginners. Get started with setup. After creating an account, configure your LA CRM by customizing your pipeline stages, fields, and user roles. The dashboard provides an overview of upcoming tasks, recent contacts, and leads. Add contacts and leads. To begin, navigate to the Contacts section to add or import contacts from a spreadsheet. You can organize contacts with tags and notes, which makes it easy to search and filter later. To track potential clients, use the Lead section, where you can see each lead stage and status in the sales pipeline. Manage tasks and calendar. LA CRM includes a built-in calendar and task manager. Schedule tasks directly from contact or lead pages, which keeps relevant information connected. Tasks are organized in a daily agenda, making it easy to stay on top of follow-ups. Track your sales pipeline. Customize pipeline stages to reflect your sales process. As you progress with each lead, move them through the stages to stay organized and focused. Use reports to monitor progress. LA CRM offers basic reports to view sales progress, completed tasks, and pipeline health, helping you make informed decisions.